Hi everyone, good morning. It's a Monday morning today. So guys, before ta work, no. So walking with my buddies again. So walking ta guys kay later on mga 8 a.m. Busy na po datong life in journey, life in real estate. So we're here no sa Barangay Indahag here located in Eco Verde. So nami diri nagwalking sa among community. Nice kayo. So Monday morning, busy na po ang street. And with my little buddies here. Hi, Tots! Hi, Budik! Morning! So guys, life and journey here. Walking this Monday morning. And later on, busy na po ta. So we have a daily schedule today.